Hello, homeowners. I'm Erica with Paragon Accountants, your tax strategist and fractional CFO. If you're planning a renovation project, here's some things you need to know. So let's talk about these tax-saving tips that could make your home improvement even more rewarding. Today, we will explore the federal and California-specific incentives that could save you money on your renovation journey. Let's get started with the federal energy efficient tax credits. Number one is the residential renewable energy tax credit. This credit allows homeowners to claim a portion of the cost of qualified renewable energy equipment installed in their primary residence. This includes solar panels, solar water heaters, small wind turbines, and geothermal heat pumps. The credit is currently set at 30% of the cost of the equipment and installation, with a gradual reduction over time. Let's see how this works. Take, for example, the purchase of a qualifying water heater for $3,500. With the current federal tax rate set at 30%, you could receive a substantial credit back on your taxes, or, per this example, $1,050 back in your pocket. The second one I want to talk about today is the residential energy efficient property credit. Homeowners may be eligible to take a credit for certain energy efficient home improvements, such as qualifying installation for windows, doors, and roofs. This credit is worth 10% of the cost of the eligible improvement, up to $500. Unfortunately, the residential energy efficiency property credit of up to $500 isn't per qualified purchase. It's a total credit for the year. Now, keep in mind as you plan your projects that these types of rules are important. California-specific incentives are a California incentive rebate. Offers cash rebates to homeowners who install solar electric systems on their property. So, first, the property tax exclusion for solar energy systems means that in California, homeowners installing solar energy systems may be eligible for a property tax exclusion. What does this mean? This means that the property tax assessor cannot reassess the value of your home once you install a solar system. Number two is a California Energy Commission rebate. This CEC offers various rebates and incentives for energy efficient upgrades, including heating, cooling systems, water heaters, installation, and more. These rebates could help offset the cost of the energy efficient improvement. And our last California incentive is the PACE financing, otherwise known as the Property Assessed Clean Energy Financing Program, allowed for homeowners to finance energy-efficient upgrades through a special assessment on their property taxes. This can help out the cost of the upgrades over time. However, you must note that you cannot double dip on the same expenses when qualifying for these incentives, both on a federal and state level. In other words, you cannot claim the same solar panel system costs for both the California rebate and the federal renewable energy credit. So, whether you're considering solar panels, upgrading your HVAC system, or making other energy efficient improvements, exploring these tax savings options can make your renovation project even more rewarding. So, thanks for tuning in, homeowners, and let's make those renovation dreams reality while saving money along the way. Thank you for joining. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.